Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you what is ShopPay on Shopify. Everything you need to know. So let's get started. So here we are in shopify.com/shop-pay, as you can see right here. So when you go here, you would be able to learn everything about ShopPay. So as you can see, it says here, meet the best converting accelerated checkouts. So this is basically a checkout method by Shopify itself right here. So you can turn on the ShopPay. When you click on this button, you would be redirected into your store. And then as you can see, convert better everywhere, sell up to 150 million global shoppers, and get it free with Shopify payments. So yeah, this is integrated with Shopify payments. And take note that not every country has Shopify payments, so you might need to check it out first. If your country has Shopify payments, then it would also have ShopPay. If not, then it wouldn't have ShopPay, just as easy as that. And as you can see right here, it says why merchants love ShopPay. So it would boost your conversion, build brand loyalty, and integrate from any platform or app. So ShopPay is really useful in checking out right here. And you can offer buy now and pay later with ShopPay installment. So you can offer this to your buyers right here. So you'd have the installment plans. And you can also have a checkout link right here. So you can sell with ShopPay. And you can reduce the store's carbon footprint, trusted by world's fastest growing brands, and so on. So that is basically it on what is ShopPay. I hope I help you understand on what it is. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.